Hello, my name is Sandra Ardila, promoter tourist. I have several years of experience in the tourism industry and have water in the promotion of several destinations. I am here to help you discover the wonders of the beautiful destination. Water Park Hotel El Cortijo. Dirección kilómetros to vía La Dorada 1. This is a very beautiful and familiar place. It is a swing pool where you can enjoy its different attractions. It's located just 2 kilometers from the town on the right side of Sideway 57 in La Dorada, where you will find a variety of warfare as is line, restaurant, camping area sport area and even accommodation with house.